What's up, dudes and dudettes? Today's video's gonna be kind of different. I look really bad, but it's 12 o'clock right now, and I have not showered yet. So I'm gonna go do that, and in the meantime, enjoy this intro video. Well, I hope you guys liked that video. It took me a while. It took me like maybe 3-4 hours. I kind of just got really inspired to make something. And I've been wanting to make videos like this for a while. Well, this video is going to be a tutorial video. I'm learning new stuff. I want to share it with as much people as I can. And I mean, hi, you're people. And I want to share this with you. A few days ago, yesterday, I first dabbled in Photoshop, and I'm going to show you guys how to turn this picture into this picture. Alright. The first step is to take a photo like these right here, and I just took those photos, like that's just a window of my dorm room. So after you take a photo, open Photoshop and create a new page. This is probably only my third time opening Photoshop, so just bear with me. So drag and drop your photo and place your photo into Photoshop. And after you've placed the photo into Photoshop, go over to your left side and you'll see this little bar thing here. I mean, it looks like an eraser, and it is an eraser. So press that tool and then just start erasing the part of the photo that you don't want. After you're done erasing the photo, here comes the hard part. So now you just look up, whatever place you want. In this case, I wanted it to be a city, like a city landscape kind of thing. So then I just type this in, and then from here you just try to find the photo that will fit the photo you already took perfectly. Well, not perfectly, just the closest match you can get. Because if the photo you choose here doesn't really match the photo that you took in the first place, then it just looks weird. Alright, this one should be good. Now I found a pretty good photo that fits into what I want it to look like. So now I'm just gonna create a new layer first below the layer I already had. So now I'm just going to drag that onto Photoshop and make sure that it's behind the first photo that I took. Just rearrange it a little, and when it's around the area I'd like it to be, that's when I start editing. So I'm just going to edit the photo to kind of make the foreground and the background match a little more, because as you can see, the background is a little different than the foreground. The foreground's a little bluish, and the background's has a warmer color feel to it. And after I'm done with editing it, I'm gonna go ahead and save it to my desktop, and then I'm just going to drag it onto my photo editing app, my other photo editing app anyway, and I'm just going in here to make some little changes to make it look even better. So there we have it. The left is the before, the right is the after shot. And that's it, guys. It was pretty easy. Nothing too fancy. You don't need a nice camera to take the photo with. I literally took that photo with this phone, and I just did that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys can use this information that I gave you to create stuff.